Hi, my name Helmi Krisnadi. I am as a CMO at ANIK PT Agri Organik Sejahtera. Today, I want to do a presentation about our company. Its title is The Future of Indonesian Organic Agriculture. Majority of Indonesian people consume chemical rice, which contain organochlorine compounds such as DDT, aldrin, dieldrin, which contaminate through agricultural product. All that the rice that we eat contain herbicide, fungicide, insecticide, and also chemical fertilizer. So it is not good for our health. That's why we use organic product. Any rice, we can see from the table, this is our laboratory analysis result. Yeah, we can see from the table, Anicrise is pure organic with international standard of cropping method application. Contain zero sugar and 1.37 fiber. A condition that is rarely found in other rice, especially organic rice. This is the picture of the difference between Anic seed and other seed. Yeah. So we see at the top picture, that was our BSM seed. And the second one is the Membramo seed. And the third one is C4 seed. The difference between them is one panicle contains 400 grains of rice with the harvest capacity around 20 tons on average for the BSM seed. This is our photo album for our activity and Anik Plasma since 2010 until 2021. Yeah. We see there is a event at Bali, yeah, farmer group at Banyuwangi, Purbalingga, Purworejo, yeah, Wonosobo. Also cooperation with Department of Agriculture at Pasitan, Wonosari, and also Tulungagung. And the next is the local government program at Malang, East Java. And next, some of our local government program at Grobogan, 2014. And this one is the photo album for local government program at Sumeneb on 2013 until 2014. Any activity with the Madura regional government is Java. It makes the harvest of 8 ton per hectare, where previously organic planting only reached 2 until 4 tons per hectare, and even more, often fail to harvest before, because the condition of the Sumeneb land is very hot and the soil containing lime, so it makes the microbes that help for farming difficult to grow and even they will die. This is our photo for our plant, yeah, the variety of BSM, location at Banyuwangi, yeah, with special formulation. It produces organic plant as high as almost 2 meters and harvests 14 tons per hectare at Banyuwangi field, East Java. This is a crop of a newspaper, Kompas, on June 26, 2012, farmer in Bantul, Yogyakarta. So, together with Anik, have carried out of planting pattern method up to 7 times planting period and reach of 20 ton harvest per hectare. In the red cycle, we can see the name of Mr. Ari Wahyu Budiono as Anik founder and also as CEO at PT Agri Organik Sejahtera. This is an Anik office sketch plan on Anik farm at Malayu, Central Java project. It will be built at the area of 6,000 hectare and 1,000 hectare which allocated for porang planting. Here are the list of Anik organic farm product in Malayu Farm, Central Java, which will be later be absorbed in uptake business unit such as cooperative, retail, restaurant, and also hotel network. And here is the overview of Anik 100 hectare land plan out of 6,000 hectare. We use the technology for farming and we will focusing in this area for 100 hectare. Here is the business calculation for Anik organic rice planting, which can generate gross profit of 48 million to 100 million rupiah per hectare. So to build this concept until it runs with integrated system, need an investment of around 48 billion rupiah with the detail list above, which will be produced a 6,000 hectare pollution-free organic area. In Indonesia, there has never been a large-scale company that has implemented this concept. We also already used to benchmark with Sampurna Foundation and some other pretty big company. And here is an overview of net income per year for a period of 20 years. All valid calculations are stored in Excel, which can be viewed and studied. As for calculation, we cannot decimate it widely for the benefit of the company and investor in order to narrow down the competitor factor. All of our product, there will be 4 absorption. First is Nusantara Cooperative, with the following benefit for the cooperative, for the farmer partners, and also for cooperative members benefit. Especially is for the reducing the burden of the planting cost for the farmer partner. And we have also a fail insurance and also integrated coaching for them, so guarantee purchase of the harvest with the contract price. The second absorption is the Omart Retail Network. This retail network will be built in every district in Central Java, and after 2 years, it will be created as a semi-franchise with cooperative as a backup fund or pure UMKM by every individual who wants to join retail network per district. So if consumer who registered as a member of cooperative want to shop online, the product also will be sent through the nearest store network. This is the simple overview of our organic store layout that we will build in all districts of the Central Java. The third absorption will be organic restaurant network, which aim to provide organic food product for general public and also could show the public the quality result of Anik organic product and at affordable price. Just like our retail network, after 2 years, it will be created also as a semi-franchise program for the public. Next is the fourth absorption, was the organic hotel network. The organic hotel network will minimize the chemical usage in application and also use the organic product for the food at the hotel restaurant. So this will be become a healthy hotel. Yeah. At the same time, become corporate branding program, especially for Anik farmer partner. To make it great, our company need supervision because supervision is something that is very important in our business. Anik will design an integrated computer application between the production, HR, finance, marketing, logistic, business unit, and business development sector. This one, the Treasury Department. Treasury Department is the bread of life for ANIC, because through this department, all ANIC operational costs can be handled from the result of the circulation of funds in this department. Fishery is the initial project in the construction of ANIC farm, because right now there is already a demand for fish export between 1,000 ton per month to 10,000 ton per month. The system we made adopt the RAS system of recirculating aquaculture system. Next is our organic agriculture. Our organic agriculture, we will implement in high-tech agricultural system from start until finish, which aim to achieve production and quality target. Next is our organic cattle farm. The farming system that we apply also use modern technology so that the target can be achieved as we expected. Here was the Central Java map, where ANIC land is located at Brebes, Regency, and all absorption units are in all districts of Central Java. Our main target is to produce and sell an organic rice that is affordable for the lower class, but also have the export commodity quality. And ANIC organic rice lowest selling price target is 12,000 rupiah per kg, thereby minimizing the warehouse stock and expecting a lot of people will enjoy the quality and guaranteed organic rice, because this rice is not sold outside the ANIC retail network. Here was the master mapping for Central Java project. In the first table, we can see the list of people who are responsible for this project. Yeah. As a Prescom is Mr. Sunarjo, and as a commissaries is Mrs. Dia Ayuwidawati, Mrs. Kumalawati, and Mr. Urip Widodo. As CEO is Mr. Ari Wahyu Budiono. As CMO, me myself, Helmi Krisnadi, and the COO is Mr. Agus Ari Pramana, and CFO will be Mrs. Kristiani Wahyu Widowati. And the second table was the detail of the project, which the absorption of labor are up to 1,000 people permanent employee. With this strategy of master mapping, we will make sure and go through to the successful future. Thank you. Don't forget, a quality living with ANIC Organic Farm. Thank you.